Hi everyone and welcome to Piacenza.
A town with a great Emilian charm, but with a strong Lombard influence, which preserves historical treasures and great villas and parks that I'll show you in this video.
But let's start from where we are.
We are along the Via Francigena, closer to Milan than Bologna. I recommend you visit Piacenza if you want tranquility, good food and nice walks.
So, what are the best attractions you cannot miss if you visit Piacenza? Our trips begins in Piazza Cavalli, the central square of Piacenza.
This square is renowned for its two impressive bronze equestrian statues of Dukes Alessandro and Ranuccio Farnese in the early 17th century. The garden of Casa Arata is perhaps the things I like the most about Piacenza, because it's the most romantic garden I have ever seen. In the Basilica of San Savino you can find a crypt with mosaics from 1100. Anyway, in my opinion, the main attraction of Piacenza are its streets to walk along and the gardens to stop in, as well as the villas to admire. Basilica of Sant'Antonino, with its unique octagonal bell tower, shape the city's skyline.
Piacenza Cathedral is a magnificent Romanesque cathedral built between 12th and 13th century.
And don't forget Palazzo Farnese, the main museum of Piacenza.
About food, Piacenza is famous for coppa piacentina, pancetta and salame, and I suggest you to try pisarei and faso, gnocchetti with a sauce made from beans and lardo.
Around Piacenza I suggest you visit Vigoleno and its breathtaking castle.
If you enjoyed this journey, please like, comment and subscribe to Luigi's Travel Tips for more travel adventures. See you soon!